US dollar against Japanese yen. This week has risen in value and then fell down. We can see the week started with these two bearish candles, and then the price on a Wednesday formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, formed an indecision candle, and then continued to rise in value up to 146.51. From here, on a Friday, the price bounced and retraced back down all the way, creating this strong bearish engulfing candle, engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, which is a great bearish signal for the price right here, where the price stopped at this 141.963. Now the week has closed as a bearish candle. We can see that after the price formed a bullish engulfing candle in the previous week. This week the price has returned back down just in between this resistance and this support level. A month has closed also as a bearish one, continuing to fall down even more compared to the previous month. This is just a bearish signal where I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more based on this one, what I can see. Why I'm seeing that, we can see that weekly doesn't show me too much information, but the daily shows me a great information, and this candle formation, we can see that here is this area. These three candles, first, second and third one, is always the combination of the further decline down. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down next week for sure. So nothing too much to say, except I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down, where the next support level will be 140.539, and based on the weekly time frame we can see 140.539 is very important support level, and we can see that 136.219 is the next support, but we can see that first the price needs to make a breakout below 140.80 on the monthly, and then where I'm expecting the price will reach around 130. Now if we take a look again, 140.59 is the next support level, and below that is 137.86 is the next one. So for the US Japanese yen, I'm expecting further decline in value. Now if you would like also to check how to create the supply and demand zones, and also how to trade on Forex market based on this one, the strategy I am sharing with you is over PDF. So you can check that and receive the PDF in your email box. Just check the link below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.